Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I am a rideshare driver. That's what I do, and I also make videos. And this channel, the Rideshare Hub, is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. As you can see, I'm a super passionate ridesharer. I'm even wearing my own rideshare shirt. So today's video, I have something super special. I'm gonna be breaking down, talking about, I got a present to show you guys. It's called Cargo. It's a way for Uber and Lyft drivers to make an extra $100 up to $300, sometimes even $500 per month. It's crazy. They basically send you a box of snacks for your passengers to buy snacks off of you. You know, you don't need to go to the Sam's or Walmart and buy snacks for yourself. They send it to you. I know it sounds too good to be true, but I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna open it up and set it up in my car so you guys can get an inside look. If you're on the fence about getting it, just get it. They aren't in every single market, so do check to see if you qualify. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. But anyways, before I get into the video, one simple favor for you guys. Can you guess what it is? Do you know what that is, Elias?
Press that like button.
Smash the thumbs up button, guys. Hit that baby. You know, turn that smash like button blue, whatever, I don't know. Just hit it. It does help me out a ton. And also, hit the subscribe button if you do want to be notified every single time I post a video. And if you like making money, I'm going to be posting videos every single time a new way to make money comes out, so you don't want to miss out. All right, you don't want that FOMO. Click the subscribe button. Okay, I hate FOMO, you know. You don't want to miss out. Click the subscribe button. All right, without further ado, let's hop in my trunk here. Not literally. Whoops. And here we got, guys. Here we got it. It's Cargo, the box. Like I said before, they pay you. They sent me this completely free. It looks like they have snacks inside, so I'm gonna just open it up, set it up, and let's see if I can. How do you open? Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, it's easier than I thought. All right, here we go, guys. Can you see this? Can you zoom in on that? Well, you don't need to zoom in, but here we go. Ooh, look at this. Colors. Ooh, do you guys like colors? I love. Let's get some ASMR in here. Shh, got it. Oh shit. Jeez. That guy's not an Uber driver. Well, actually, maybe he is. I know some of you Uber drivers drive crazy. What was he driving at? What was that, a Lexus? I thought it was a Jaguar. All right, but yeah, guys, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up, okay? I know it's a little noisy. Don't mind the noise. I don't have time to wait for people. Okay, how do you open this thing? Elias, you were playing with it earlier, right? Oh, there we go. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, Starbursts. Oh, what the heck is this? Airborne? We got vitamins in here too. It looks like we do have Kind bars. You know, I'm pretty hungry myself right now, so I think I'm gonna dig right into one. Oh! Dang it. Here, I'll save that for my camera, man. Here you go, Elias. Don't eat the snacks, guys, okay? This is for your passengers. All right, whatever. Don't tell anyone, guys, okay? Shh. Oh, shoot. Well, I don't want this to melt in my car. What do I do with this? I'll set it right here, okay? I'm not a litterer, okay? Okay, this is not off to a good start. Let's see what else we got. Starbursts. Ooh, chickpeas, not hickpeas. Chickpeas. Oh, gum. If your passenger wants a gum, oh my gosh. Guys, if you ever pick up a passenger who's after a restaurant, or maybe they're going out to the nightclub, be like, yo, you want some gum? Your breath stinks. Buy some gum off of me. And you get paid too, so honestly, it's a no-brainer. Let's figure out how to set this thing up in my car, and then we can go from there. Now we're ready to go to school, guys. I got my, put your thinking caps on, guys, okay? I've got my glasses on, put yours on too. All you old folks out there. Put your dentures in too. Let's get ready. All right, here we go. Let's see how I can set this up in my vehicle. So, from my understanding, this goes directly onto the center console. So let's just hop in the back seat. Get your mind out of the gutter, guys. That's not why we're going in the back seat, okay? Follow me in. And we're gonna have to set it up. I think it goes like this. Look, they even have chargers too for their phones. No free charging. I think they have to pay for it. So, but it's like an ultra fast one. It's faster than a normal charger, so it does charge up. And yeah, so basically, I'm not gonna strap it in, but it looks like your passengers might be sitting in the car like this, and then, you know, it's right in their face, so they're like, scan me, get stuff. So they have to open up their phone, or let's see, I can open up my phone camera, and then you go like this, see, look, and then your passenger can go, open get cargo today, and then it opens it up, and it looks like they get, send your cargo box ID. Okay, I don't know what that is. Oh, I'm not a driver. And then look, then they can pay on Apple Pay, guys. Look at that, Apple Pay, PayPal, Venmo. Ooh, I love Venmo. Visa, MasterCard, and Amex. So enter your cargo store ID. So all they have to do is enter that. So it's gonna be 72487 or whatever yours is. And then send your cargo box ID to this number. Oh no, I don't know how it works. Your passengers can figure it out. I think they need to download the app, which yeah, your passengers downloads the app. They get the app. Let's just get the app, guys. Why not, right? This is the Rideshare Hub. Let's go full throttle, if you know what I mean. Waiting. While we're downloading the app, guys, let me tell you a quick story, okay? Let me tell you a quick story. I think it is super important to, is the lighting okay? Or is it really dark?
It's pretty dark.
Okay, let's hop out here for a second. Well, anyways, guys, this is what it is. You're texting and filming. My cameraman's texting behind the camera. He's Snapchatting while he's filming me. So if it's a little shaky, you guys know why. It's all right, you know, we respect the hustle. He's got to, you know, respond to those DMs. My cameraman's actually a TikTok star, so got to respect the hustle. Are you hungry, cameraman? Did I say I was gonna feed you today? All right. Here, you want some Starburst? You want some Starburst? There you go. But yeah, guys, definitely don't eat the snacks yourself. Well, I think you actually do get one free snack. These are for your passengers.
I think we got two.
Huh?
I think we used up our free snack for the first one that fell on the floor.
Oh, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm a little hungry. If you do get something, you should replenish. Well, no, they send you out free snacks, but we're just kidding. I'm gonna put the snacks back inside, except for the one I opened. I'm gonna have to go buy a new one. Honestly, it does look super cool though. Like, I think this is how you strap it on. I will make a follow-up video, so make sure you're subscribed when I do actually strap it on. Not a strap on. But I'm gonna strap this on to my car, you know. Get your mind out of the gutter, guys, okay? So, ooh, look at this. They can just straight up get some almond butter. Like, that's it. Just nothing else inside, just almond butter. Maybe they want to spread it all over their bodies. I don't know. Who cares? I don't judge. But yeah, I honestly was not expecting some vitamin supplements inside. That is really interesting. And yeah, it looks like there's some bars and stuff. But yeah, guys, this is it. There are also a bunch of other ways to make money too. Click see more in my description. Go on if you're watching on your phone, just see, for all you newbies out there, I know some of you guys are a little bit older, so you don't know how to use YouTube that well. Just kidding, but I'm just gonna show you. So when you go to my videos, the little fun fact, guys, you can click on this down button right here, And there are tons of links. I always put tons of links in my description on ways to make extra money. So you can sign up for cargo today. Yes, right now you can sign up, as well as a bunch of other ways to make more money. So check out those links in the description. But yeah, guys, this is it. Thank you, Cargo, for sending me this beautiful box. Thank you, Cargo. Thank you to Uber, Lyft, and also, most importantly, I feel like I'm giving an Oscar speech, but thank you to all my fans and followers out there who do support me and who always smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Again, my name is Dylan. If you want to get some Rideshare Hub merch, it is currently on sale, guys. So I also have that link. I know there's a lot in the description, guys. There's some gems down there, some hidden gems. We have this one. We also have a few other shirts, hoodies, long sleeves. I know it's almost fall weather, so next time you go to get your pumpkin spice latte, maybe you can go in with the Rideshare Hub hoodie. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. You guys are the best. I will talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.